Do you frequently have login trouble, or a site won't load? How frustrating is that? When you need to get access, here's a tip that may help. You should try clearing your browser cache. It's the internet equivalent of turning your computer off and on again, but what exactly does it mean? Your web cache is the temporary storage of web data, such as sites you visited, images, and other types of web media. A web cache stores copies of documents passing through it and allows you to load a page you've already visited even if your connection isn't stable. Basically, your cache is the memory of where you've been and what you've done, and can become corrupted or confused. Clearing your cache is your way of cleaning house. It wipes that temporary memory and gives you a fresh start. So give it a try and happy web browsing. We hope you found value in this tip. Be sure to follow Innovative Technologies for more tech tips by subscribing to our YouTube channel or visit us at upstatetechsupport.com.